pretty girl, tell her say we have a date. And she never late, be a checker if you wait. Work hard, play hard, every day. Likkle Addi name, I go for rain.
Welcome back to the trendy dancehall. You see me people, buenos dias, you know the thing go. If you know subscribers yet, me I go ask you to do so. Naturally before me jump in it. Alright, so we are gonna talk about with the description of the video you see. You see me people. Yeah man, so a one photo go around with Vybz Kartel son, which are Likkle Addi, you see me? Yeah, him and a girl, you see me, a young lady. So them have it for say I'm baby mother, you see me. I'm sure you see the picture they already see it. Yeah man, so that be there, you see me? Yeah, I'm baby mother. Yeah, but the people them a chant end of the day, people attack one bag of something. I want you to comment down below and tell me what you think about the whole situation, you see me? As I know the Gaza fan them come out for that one year today, you see me? Yes I. Yeah. So anyways now, so this kid is like 15 years old people. You see me? 15 years old, and by the looks of it, dirty team sperms even mature and develop it right way. No jokes. You see me? Cause him have a big brother, you know, same big brother, you see me? Him about 17, I got 18. This are Likkle vibes. So when you check the level people, the man surprised everybody in a way, cause like him are the youngest one and watch it. You see me, you never know what tomorrow might bring in a real life. You see me? I mean that in a good way and a bad way, you see me? So the young girl supposed to name Tashi or whatsoever, you see me? But the whole idea and everything where take place, it just kinda silly, you see me? Silly meds. People some here say Shorty, which are the mother, approve everything where take place, you see me? So she approves it for like basically prolong, you see me? So them did have a baby shower yesterday, you see me? See them big up to Shorty, her son and her little one daughter-in-law, you know? Yeah man, Vybz Kartel, big up yourself, you know the thing go, your turn grandfather in the day, you see me? But your top man said we are they like this did go come though. Nobody no really have no bad for say, except say him no reach the age yet, you see it? Yeah, not sure Vybz Kartel son now there with people with dark foxes yet, but in the idea Vybz Kartel no really have nothing to do with these people and it all time fame control, you see me? Yeah man. Watch no? Yeah man, we are jumping in the next section, we are gonna talk about Popcaan and Skillibeng, you see me? New track. Yeah people, so the media has been seeing Popcaan and Skillibeng quite often at one place together, you see me? So that leaves us with a different speculation. I would know Skillibeng as a lyrical artist, you see me? And Popcaan is like an international artist at the same time. Two of them are do them thing, you see me? East side, St. Thomas. Although east side me come from, I don't know what them are talk about. At Kingston me come from, you know, and at that is. But anyways, see the video here, one next video. No man people, this is Skillibeng. But now I gotta say him promising so much, but the type of way and put film phrases together, me and tell the people, it just out of this world. Really Mr. Universe. Big up yourself, Skillibeng. Yeah man, so Popcaan and him have a collaboration, people. You see me? Papi are doing thing, you know, differently. Just go and bust the youths them. You know how the thing go, you see me? Cause the respect I go to the whole on the same way. No matter how it might look. You see me? So Skillibeng are doing thing, people. And yeah. Can't take that from him. So like and subscribe.
Is it?
Come on peeps, at the end of the video this, you know what it go? I gotta ask if you like, subscribe and share to anybody where you feel. You see me? Use them type of YouTube channel and thing. You see me? You know the thing go. They trendy dance all this Each and every day we have different type of brand new entertainment about the industry and media.